Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design some t-shirts using OpenAI. Now, these t-shirts are really useful, like say if you have a business, or if you want to, say you have a pizza business, you want to design a shirt, or if you have a Teespring account where you're just looking for cool designs. And OpenAI kind of has like some cool style to it, and it can really produce some good content if you're running out of ideas. So let's get right into it. I'll show you right here. Oh yeah, by the way, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. Thank you very much. So I'm running Python, and we're using the OpenAI library. We set the key equal here, and then we create this response. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's really simple. Import library, set key, create the response, print the response, and then it gives you a set of links. So before we begin to make some new ones, I'm going to show you a couple of designs that have already proven to be somewhat interesting. You just click the play button here, it queries the API and it returns a response. Hit the subscribe button right now. So here is the links. We're going to load these images. And these are the t-shirts. So this is a t-shirt design with a pizza and cat and fire theme. Okay, so this is something, I don't know if you can just print this as a shirt, but you could definitely give this to an artist to copy, right? So this is just for inspiration. So this is Hazy Pizza, and you've got the pizza, you've got the cheese, you got the cat and the fire, right? So there you go. The pust pizza. Okay. We'll save that one for later. Yeah, look at this. Pista, cat, pizza, chia. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, let's see if we can design some other shirts. So we can do a t-shirt design for Joe's New York Pizza restaurant. I don't know if I want to put the word in there because that might confuse it too much. Irrelevant, you know. A t-shirt designed for Joe's New York Pizza. Hit the subscribe button while we wait for this to load. Okay, here are our output. We'll just load these up here. It's taking a second. It's probably because I'm loading so many at the same time. I can't even spell Joe's right. Hey, it's definitely a t-shirt design. And it's got the colors right. You know, if you like it, you can copy this. Just fix the letter, you know, Joe's Pizza. Joe. Papa Joe's. That's kind of funny. Joe's Pizza. Since the year 1218, Joe's Pizza is now JB. Jeepia Joza, nude pore pizza knock. Jody Poppy Joe's. Man, interesting. It kind of translates the word Joe into like some phonetic sound. Let's do another one, see if we get any different results. A t-shirt designed for Steve's Thrift Store. We'll see what that produces. And then also hit subscribe. Let's see what we got here. I got the hiccups and I'm drinking some wake up coffee. There's the thrift shop. Man, we're a slow loader today. Steve the sleeve. It's weird. Okay, kind of thrifty a little bit. Yeah, I don't think any of these really encapsulate what is a thrift shop. And then let's do the Stay a While Hotel, a T-shirt design for a hotel that's brick and on the ocean. So yeah, I think you have to get a bit more into like describing. You can't just call it Steve's thrift shop and it's going to know what that is. You really have to understand the data that it's pulling from. Yeah, that could be a t-shirt design. That's like a good idea for a t-shirt. There's another one, kind of some strange colors. I think it's pulling in the blue of the ocean, right? Yeah. It goes quite literal. Are those oil rigs? Yeah, those are oil rigs. Why don't we just type in this? Just for fun. Let's see what OpenAI thinks is Florida Man. Yeah, yeah, quite accurate. Florida Man. It's just the sunglasses. Gotta have sunglasses, man. Well, you do have to have sunglasses in Florida. You know, and the button down. What are these gangs like? The mustache. He's all suntanned. And he has Florida men apparently have no belly buttons. Oh my god, he's wearing a UF Gator shirt. That's so funny. He's got a hood. It's like a hooded wife beater. Oh. Okay, very funny. All right, well, that's my video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Fun things you can do with OpenAI. Have a great day. Bye-bye.